Here's a quick tutorial on how to get the most out of EV Analytics' newest product, the Odds Comparison Tool. On the left side of your screen, you'll see betting markets and game information. This includes date, time, type of market, category, name, team, position, and matchup. To the right of the betting markets, you'll see the current odds. These are EV Analytics consensus odds, or what we consider the most widely offered number. And to the right of the current odds, you'll see the consensus opener. On the other half of your screen, odds from various sportsbooks are listed. Right now we're looking at player prop odds and their two-sided markets. Notice the three columns: total, over, and under. The total indicates the line, and the over and under columns display the odds. Now, the great thing about this tool is how easy it makes it for you to identify price inefficiencies. For each betting market, we color code the maximum and minimum values. So let's take a look at receiving yards, for example. The Super Bowl is a week away, but most sportsbooks have already published receiving yards totals. Let's check out Demarcus Robinson's total. On BetOnline, his total is over or under 19.5 yards, while Pinnacle is offering 26.5. The green highlight shows the lowest total and implies potential value on the over. The red highlight shows the highest total and implies potential value on the under. Here's where the difference column comes into play. The difference column calculates the absolute difference between the highest and lowest values, in this case 7 yards. Now let's take a look at Patrick Mahomes' interception odds. One of the exciting features of this tool is EV Analytics' introduction of the exotic hold. A sportsbook's hold, or margin, is a very insightful data point. And by pairing odds from two different sportsbooks, you can essentially manufacture an exotic hold that is lower and better value than each native hold. On Bovada's, the sportsbook's hold, or margin, is about 6.8%, while FanDuel's is about 6%. But if you combine the most favorable odds from both, you end up with a negative hold, or an arbitrage situation. Plus 116 for the over on FanDuel compared to minus 105 for the under on Bovada. In addition, we've built advanced software functionality to help you customize this data. If you click on Sites, you can pick and choose which sportsbooks you want to display and rearrange their order. For example, let's say you want to compare DraftKings, FanDuel, and PointsBet. Just tick these three sportsbooks boxes and hit Update. You'll notice the exotic hold recalculates, comparing only the odds from these three books. This recalculation applies to the difference column as well, by comparing only the lines of the selected sportsbooks. And if you want PointsBet to appear first, just drag it to the top and hit Update. And you can also sort the columns from ascending to descending order by simply clicking on the column title. With so much information at your disposal, you may want to zoom in or zoom out to best fit your monitor. And by accessing the search bar at the top, you can easily filter by the exact data you need. Search tackles, search for Patrick Mahomes odds, and we don't only have player prop odds, we display various markets including straights and derivative odds. At the top you'll see type. We break down the odds into three categories: game odds, game props, and player props. This allows you to better sort by the type of odds you want. EV Analytics' goal is to empower sports bettors, media outlets, and sportsbooks with tools and resources to quantify the true value of a betting opportunity. Our new odds comparison tool is unlike anything else on the market when it comes to comparing a wide range of betting markets across various sportsbooks. We make it easy for anyone to quickly identify inefficiencies and find value. If you like what you see and want to learn more about how our innovative products help you bet like a pro, contact us at info@evanalytics.com.